Hey.
So today we have something very special for you, very simple. We're going to be making eggless French toast.
Yes.
Think about it. So the ingredients are very minimum. There are things you probably have in your house already.
Yeah.
And then also we're going to be topping it with
fruit topping.
Yeah, candied strawberry, which is also very simple. So if you want to see the steps, stay tuned. So there's only about 4 or 5 ingredients that you have. We have the bread. You can use any kind of thick bread that you want. This is an artisan bakery bread. We have cinnamon, ground cinnamon, vanilla, coconut milk that's in the can. That's important. And milled or ground flaxseed. So you're gonna need about a cup of coconut milk, a tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then a little bit of coconut oil for your pan. And I've already mixed up here, and this is how it's gonna look. And you want it to sit for a couple minutes just so that flaxseed gets absorbed with the coconut milk. And it's a little thick, and that's okay, and that's gonna make it have that nice crispy coating.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to do French toast. You dip the bread in the batter on both sides. Make sure you don't have no part of the bread showing. And since you're doing it with flaxseed, it's going to be very thick. So you can spread it out. Throw it in the pan. We already done one. So once you get it in the pan, flip it.
Now that your toast is done, you want to melt down a little bit of non-dairy butter. And I got our strawberries with a little bit of confection sugar, maybe about 3 tablespoons. A little bit of cornstarch as a thickener on medium heat with your strawberries. And then just a little bit of the coconut milk, just a little bit. And just kind of saute until the strawberries are slightly softened, not too much because you don't want to lose the nutrients in the strawberries. Just a little bit. Cook them down. And that's it.
Alright, and we got the French toast, the toppings on, strawberry topping that is. And we didn't add any syrup yet, because we're going to do that when we get ready to eat. Alright, thank you for watching.
So we hope you enjoyed the video. Questions, comments in the description box or
inbox, welcome.
Down below. Make sure you subscribe,
yes.
like, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat.